Committee members, player waiting on man of the match award. Let me take a short break and we'll be back after this match. Stay tuned here. You are watching live actions from Y Sports. AJ Goal Presents Iriti Premier League Season 2 is going on. അഞ്ചാമത്തെ മത്സരത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കുന്നു. വിജയിച്ചു നിൽക്കുന്ന രണ്ട് ടീമുകൾ അടുത്ത റൗണ്ട് ഉറപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള പോരാട്ടത്തിന് നേർക്കുനേർ വരുമ്പോൾ ആരെയായിരിക്കും വിജയം തുണക്കുക എന്ന് കണ്ടറിയാനുള്ള അവസരം. മത്സരം BCC പാലേരി നേരിടുകയാണ് ഫിനിക്സ് പുന്നാട് ടീമിനെ. Over to change in the commentary box here. Thank you. I'll be back after a match. Jinil is receiving the man of the match award from Mr. Naufal. ABC boys sponsor ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു ക്യാപ്പ് കൂടി സമ്മാനമായി ലഭിക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. Man of the match ട്രോഫിക്ക് ഒപ്പം Mr. Naufal is handing over. Congratulations Jinil. Played a very good job for the team. Thank you. നമ്മോടൊപ്പം എല്ലാവരുടെയും ശ്രദ്ധ, കാണികളുടെ ശ്രദ്ധ ഈ പ്രസന്റേഷൻ ഏരിയയിലേക്ക് ക്ഷണിക്കുകയാണ്. നമ്മുടെ സന്തോഷ് ചേട്ടൻ ഈ പിച്ച് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ നമ്മോടൊപ്പം സഹായിച്ച അദ്ദേഹത്തിന് എല്ലാവരും ഒരു വലിയ കയ്യടി കൊടുക്കാം. അദ്ദേഹമാണ് ഈ പിച്ച് ഈ രൂപത്തിൽ നമുക്കുണ്ടാക്കാനായി സഹായിച്ചത്. സന്തോഷ് ചേട്ടന് ഞങ്ങളുടെ വലിയ നന്ദി അറിയിക്കുകയാണ്. ഒപ്പം ആ മൊമെന്റോയും അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കൈമാറുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു സന്തോഷ് ചേട്ടൻ. വി ആർ മൂവിങ് ഇൻ ബാക്ക് ടു ദ ഗെയിം ഹിയർ. Change in the commentary box. We'll be back shortly.
Yes, thank you, Rafiq. We are back here. Wide ball and 4 runs, 5 runs added in the total here. AJ Gold and Diamond Presents Iriti Premier League. 5th match is going on the first day. Well bowled. Shamshad is a bowler here. The Phoenix Punada versus BCC Paleri. The 5th matches are going on over here. They have won the first match for the league stage. This is the second match for both teams. Shamshad to Sudin Kichu. Here we go, the next ball of the over. 6 runs maximum from Sudhin Kichu. Score moved to 12. First over in progress. AJ Gold and Diamond presents Iriti Premier League Season 2. The day one matches are going on over here. The fifth match of the day. Here we go, the next ball. Sudhin again. Back-to-back sixes from him. What a player. What a dangerous player from Phoenix Punnad. Sudhin Kichu. 18 on board. Loss of 1 wicket. The last ball of the first over. Here we go. Wide again. 20 on board. Sorry, 90 on board here. Another maximum here. 25 on board. Kichu is a danger. Kichu is a danger batsman here. 25. 3 huge sixes in the first over. We have bowler here, Mehroof. Jersey number 9, Mehroof is the second over here. This is a match here, Phoenix Punnad versus BCC Paleri. Phoenix win the toss and they are batting here, which is a correct decision so far for Phoenix captain Khalil. Here we go, the next over. Wide. Another extra added in the total. Our match umpires are Ajay Ghosh and Siddharth. Our official scorers, Atul Tajuddin. Our camera leading by gone. Roshit is gone. First wicket loss for Phoenix Punnad. Yeah, we have a new batsman here, Navakumar, stylish player. Navakumar on strike. Mehroof is a bowler. Shamnad is a wicket keeper. Here we go, the next ball of the over. 26 on board. Second over in progress. Single runs more added in the total. Score moved to 27. Sudhin back to strike. Ball moved to fine leg area. The boundary again. The Kichu is a batsman. Our live streaming powered by Thank you for Y Sports for your live telecast. We really happy about your service. We have received many good comments. Here we go. Another good delivery from Mehroof. Y Sports doing a great job over here. We have received so many comments about your service. Thanks a lot. Here we go, the next ball. Mehroof to Nava. Maximum out. It's gone. Nava is gone. Third wicket loss for Phoenix Punjab. Smartly taken by fielder. Harshad is a fielder. The over sum up. 32 loss of 3 wickets. Vijesh is a new batsman. We have a new batsman on grease, Vijesh. The last match, man of the match. The brilliant performer by Vijesh. Has a good touch, bat and ball. Here we get the next over. We have Agil Rai. Agil Rai to Vijesh. Very good delivery. Leg by given by umpire. Single runs more added in the total. Score moved to 33, loss of 3 wicket. Third over in progress. AJ Gold and Diamond presents. Iriti Premier League 2021. The season 2 is going on over here. Here we go, the next ball of the over. Agil Rai to Sudin Kichu. Another changer from Agil Rai. Good fielder. And it's gone, out. Yeah, out of the park. Another biggie from Sudin Kichu. Sudin Kichu is a batsman here. The finest player from Phoenix Punjab. Sudin is a batsman. Agil Rai is the bowler. Score moved to 39, loss of 3 wickets. Gone. Sudin gone. Another wicket loss for Phoenix Punjab. Shamnad is a wicket keeper. We have a new batsman, Sajish Kutai. Vijay on strike. Maximum. Beautifully done by Vijesh. Boundary. Score moved to 45. Loss of 4 wickets. 49 on board, sorry. 49 on board. Harshad is a bowler. Sajish Kutai. Single runs more added in the total. Back to back good delivery from Harshad. Score moved to 51, loss of 4 wicket. Fourth over in progress. Harshad to Sajish Kutai. What an over from Harshad. 3 singles. Just 3 singles in the over. Score moved to 52, loss of 4 wicket. Vijesh on strike. Dot delivery. AJ Gold and Diamond presents Iriti Premier League Season 2. The day 1 matches are going on over here. Harshad to Vijesh. The 5th ball of the over. Beauty! The biggie! And it is gone miles away. What a batting by Vijesh. Vijesh is the player. 6 balls, 17 runs by Vijesh. 2 huge sixes. Score moves to 58, loss of 4 wicket. Last ball, the 4th over. Another biggie, another maximum. Back-to-back sixes from Vijesh. Over, end of the over, score moved to 64. What a request today. Boundary board in the Poragil request please support. Many times we have requested. Boundary board in the Porathirikanam, please. We request I Kanakakanam. Boundary board in the Porathirikam and help yanam. Other camera Ledakanikunu. Other tournament in a Badikum, please. We request I Kanam. Boundary board in the Porathirikanam, please. End of the over. 64 on board. We have a bowler here, Mehroof, for his 2nd over. Sajish on strike. Mehroof. No ball and 4. Five runs added in the total. Score moved to 70. Score moved to 70, the fifth over in progress. Dot delivery from Haroof. TK Group Villakode. Maximum. The Vijay is the player. $76 on board here. Vijay is the player, 10 ball, 33 runs. 4 huge sixes by Vijay. We have next match TK Group Villakode versus KCC Kudali. Both captains come forward for the toss. The next match, KCC Kudali versus TK Group Villakode. Both captains, please come forward. Here we go, the next ball, Meharoof to Vijesh. Delivery, the dot delivery here. AJ Gold and Diamond presence. Irati Premier League Season 2 here. Well bowled by Meharoof. Single runs added in the total again. Sajish on strike. Meharoof is a bowler. Another single added in the total. End of the over, 78 on board. Firoz. ഒന്ന് വരൂ സജീർ ഉണ്ട് അവിടെ സജീർ Score moved to 81, loss of 5 wickets. The last over in progress. The captain on strike here. The captain of Phoenix Punjab shift. Khalil on strike. Rashid is a bowler. Dot delivery. The two more ball balance here. The last over. 2 balls remaining. 81 board. 81 on board here. 5 wickets. Loss for Phoenix Punjab. Here we go, the next ball of the over. One more single added in the total. The last ball is coming up for first innings. We have next toss here. TK Group, KCC Kudali. Both captains, please come forward for the toss. The last ball is coming up here. What an over from Rashid. Just 4 runs and 1 wicket from him. The last ball of the first innings. Sajesh Kutai on strike. AJ Gold and Diamond presents. Iriti Premier League Season 2. Gone. End of the innings. Score 83 to win. We have next toss, TK Group, KCC Kudali.
ഞങ്ങൾ വായിക്കുമ്പോൾ ടിവിയും മിക്സിയും ഞങ്ങൾ ഓഫർ തരുന്നുണ്ട്.
സർ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഷോറൂമിൽ നിന്ന് വാഷിംഗ് മെഷീനും ഫ്രിഡ്ജും ഓഫർ ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്.
ഇതുപോലുള്ള ഒരുപാട് ഓഫറുകൾ കേട്ട് മടുത്തു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് പോകാം.
ധാർമ്മിക മൂല്യത്തിൽ അധിഷ്ഠിതമായ വ്യാപാരം. AJ ഗോൾഡ് ആൻഡ് ഡയമണ്ട്സ്, സിറ്റി സെന്റർ, ഇരിട്ടി. PIS 916 വിവാഹാഭരണങ്ങളുടെ പണിക്കൂലി വെറും പേരിന് മാത്രം. സർ, ഞങ്ങളുടെ കടയിൽ നിന്ന് ആഭരണങ്ങൾ
Match of the day, we have 2 captains over here. TK Group Villacote, Rahim TK, KCC Kudali, Tajir. We have next match. Who is going to do? Yes, please. Tail is the goal. Is it head? Bat first. TK Group win the toss and they will bat first for next match. Thank you very much. We have to start second innings. BCC Paleri, please send your batsman. The 5th match of the day is going on. $83 is the target for BCC Paleri. AJ Gold and Diamonds presents Iriti Premier League Season 2. 5th matches is going on over here. The second innings. Navakumar is the bowler. Navakumar is the bowler. Navakumar is the bowler. This is a power play over. Only 3 fielders outside the circle. Here we go, the first ball of the over. Well bowled. Dot delivery from Nava. Dot delivery. The Phoenix Punnad. One of the balanced team for ET Premier League. Here we go, the second ball of the over. High chance. It was a tough chance and half chance. Missed by fielder. Single runs added in the total. Maximum. ഫിറോസ്ക ഒരു ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാൻ ഒരാൾ അറേഞ്ച് ചെയ്ത് തരുമോ? End of the over. Score moved to 16 without any wickets. Five over 67 required for BCC Paleri. We have a next match here. TK Group Villakode versus KCC Kudali. TK win the toss and they will bat first. Yes, sir. Hold the ball, Tajuka. Premier League Season 2, the 6 overs medium ball cricket tournament. Here we go, the next ball of the over. Roshit to Shamnath. Shot A and boundary. Score moved to 27. Maximum from Shamnath is a player, the dangerous batsman for BCC Paleri. You have many year experience in tennis ball cricket. Shamnath, 33 on board. What a match going on over here. BCC Paleri versus Phoenix Punjab. Here we go, the next ball of the over. Roshit to Shamnath. Again, what a beauty. Out of the park. Shamnath is a player. 39 board. 39 on board here. Simply playing by Shamnath. What a smart player. What a talent. Here we go, the last ball of the second over. Yeah! That is a catch again. What wicket keeping. Second catch for the tournament. Sarith is a wicket keeper. The Shamnath is gone. The dangerous player is gone here. The Shamnath. What a catch. The catch of the day again. Sharath is a catcher. The first wicket loss for BCC Paleri. We have a new batsman on the way. The Harshad is a new batsman. We have a new bowler, Vijesh. Third over in progress. AJ Gold and Diamond presents. Iriti Premier League Season 2. Please support for the tournament. Can you make it fast? We have already delayed. Thanks for supporting us. Thanks for supporting us, teams. Yeah, what a try by Kiju. 6 runs. Another maximum. First seen is a batsman. Boundary. Back to back, 6 and 4 from Farsin is a player. KCC Kudali, get ready your fielders. KCC Kudali, and get ready your fielders. Beautifully played by Farsin. 50 up. 50 on board for BCC Paleri. 33 runs required from 21 balls for BCC. Harshad on strike. Another biggie, another maximum. Harshad is a player. Another talented player for BCC Paleri, Harshad. "27 required from 20 balls for BCC Paleri. Here we go, the next ball of the over. Well delivery. Dot delivery from Vijesh. Already 17 made in this over. 70 runs. The last ball is coming up for this over. Third over in progress. Here we go. TK Group Captain, KCC Kudali Captain. On the mic point by report here. TK Group, Amigos Captain. Please come forward. End of Mambaran Captain, please. Here we go. The next bowler, we have Navakumar for his second over. "25 runs required from 17 delivery. Can you make it fast, please? Can you speed up the batsman, please? Only fifth matches is going on over here. We have many more matches today. We have to complete as much as we have possible. Support for the team and tournament, boys. AJ Gold and Diamond presents, Iriti Premier League. Navakumar is a bowler. What a delivery, and yes, bite given by umpire. There's 5 more added in the total. 4 and wide, the bye is given. "20 more runs required in 17 delivery. First scene is the bowler, batsman, Nava. Well played again. Roshit is a fielder. Thank you, KCC Kudali, for participating. On behalf of Iriti Premier League, we are handovering the memento. Thank you, KCC Kudali. Single more run added in the total. Kutai is a fielder. "18 runs required from 15 deliveries. Navakumar 2. First sin. Thank you, TK Group, for participating in Iriti Premier League. And thank you, Amigos Naduvenad, for participating for Iriti Premier League. We are handovering our memento. Another good delivery from Navakumar. The dot delivery. On behalf of Iriti Premier League, we handovering the memento for all participating teams. Thank you, the Laya and for participating. Two to go, yeah. AJ Gold and Diamond presents City Premier League Season 2. The day one matches are going on. Well delivery, Nava. Another single added in the total. Score moved to 66, loss of 1 wicket. The last ball of the 4th over. KCC Kudali, get ready for the fielders. YCC Ash, Danger Boys, all come forward for collecting memento. Bilal maximum from Harshad. End of the over. 72, loss of 1 wicket. 11 runs required from 12 balls. 11 runs required, 12 balls. Out of the ground, out of BCC Paleri. Out of the ground, please. Yeah, thank you. Another beauty. Go. Yeah, it's no ball actually. It's a free hit ball. It's gone. Out. The first in gone. The run out. Second wicket loss for third wicket. Four runs to win. 4 runs to win from 10 balls. First in is gone. Batsman name, please. KCC Kudali, get ready. KCC Kudali. Yeah, they are ready.